So guys, yan po yun ang sanhi ng pagkamatay ni Kobe Bryant. Yan, ang isang inidolo nating MVP player sa NBA po na si Kobe Bryant. So bumagsak po yung sinasakyan niyang helicopter po sa Amerika. Ayan po. So nakatutok tayo ngayon sa live coverage. Ayan. Ayan, may nakabantay pa. Iniimbestigahan pa. So ayan po. Confirm na po talaga ang inidulo nating si Kobe Bryant ay patay na talaga. Yan ang sumikat ng mga 90s to 2000 sa NBA, sa National Basketball Association sa Amerika. Ilang beses yun naging MVP si Kobe Bryant. Ayan.
$1,400. Yeah, we'll have the LA Sheriff Department Sheriff come out here and LA County Fire's Chief come out here. So we're gonna set something up for you guys. I think they're gonna try to gather as much information as they can. Sure. Wait for the personnel to arrive on scene, and then we'll bring them out here for you guys. Yeah. 1,400. Well, thank you. 2 o'clock. Thank you. Appreciate it.
But that's them. That's fire. I understand that PD is going to be different. Yeah. Yeah. And I think those are the ones that are coming out. Well, no, he said. Yeah. Anytime. Oh, fire.
Shooting natin mga kabistak. Ayan yung live coverage po sa pagkamatay po. Ayan, so daming mga tao ngayon kasi inaabangan yung kung ano yung investigasyon doon sa Amerika po.
Hey, Bryant, Tommy. Hey, I'm out here with Susan or Sue. We're gonna do a live shot. Can we? Yes. Can I have an IFD for us, please? Okay. Okay.
So
For Susan.
so daming mga supporters ni Kobe Bryant na nakaabang.
Want to be looped into or no?
Yes, I would like.
Okay, so
3608, you said? All right. No, we haven't. We're just getting ready. Oh, wait.
what number do you want me to call for you to loop you in?
Maybe you can.
I gotcha.
Okay, we got you. All right. Hey, thanks a lot, man. We're good.
What number is that?
Thank you. This one is 213 952 9704. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Ayan, daming mga
Bisaya.
Amerikano na nag-antay sa resulta po ng
Yeah. We
pagkamatay ni Kobe Bryant, ang ating idolistang basketball player sa NBA. Ayan. Hindi pa natin alam kung anong sanhi sa pagka-disgrasya ng helicopter niya. So inaabangan pa natin. So ayan po yun mga kabistak. Si Kobe Bryant ay nasa mga 40 plus, mahigit pa yun ang edad nun. So hanggang doon lang talaga siya. Oras na talaga niya yun. Sabi nga, pag oras mo na talaga. So si Kobe Bryant ganun din. So rest in peace po Kobe Bryant, idol. Ayan. Sa team po ng LA Lakers, Los Angeles Lakers. Ayan.
Yeah, I can.
Si Kobe Bryant.
Yes, 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 yes. Can you hear me? Yes. Yes. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Tommy's not here though, so he just ran back. I don't know where he went. But I'm here. Can you see me? I'm too short. Probably too short. Okay. I'm not too short because he's not behind the camera. Okay.
Susan, what'd they say?
We're going soon.
Okay, I'm up.
So daming mga supporters talaga ni Kobe na nag-antay dito ngayon.
Okay, thank you. How did you get in? You were right with me. You parked at the same time I parked. I got stopped. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
So waiting pa rin tayo sa result po. Yan.
What's your name, sir? Gavin Masak. Gavin Masak? Okay. Is your mom here? So it's okay for you to talk to me?
Yeah, it's okay, but my mom is around.
Oh, your dad. Is your dad okay for you to talk? You sure? Gavin. Okay. And you live around here?
Yeah.
What did you see?
I was by my garage, and then I heard a sound out, so I heard kind of sound like a jet, but I heard it flying over, and I went inside for a second, and then I came back out, and then there was a super loud sound, and then I saw all these ambulance, police, paramedics, firemen all rushing to the scene.
Yeah, but that was before you knew it was on there.
And then I texted my friend to send him on forward to bar track, and I told him that police tickets are playing.
Well, I'm right here.
So
I'm right
kung
here.
nakita nyo yan,
Can you see me?
dyan banda po bumagsak si Kobe Bryant mga kabisdak. Yan, dyan po bumagsak si Kobe Bryant. Kung
Okay,
nakikita
guys,
niyan,
can you
zoom
see me
natin
now?
yan.
Let me
Ayan
just,
po, dyan po banda.
okay, let me just
Yung
tell
may
you that I am at the
sasakyan na
site
puti.
of the crash. You can see it from my perspective. If you
Ayan.
see some white smoke there on that hillside,
Ayan.
that is the crash that we're talking about. I talked very briefly to a young man
Ayan,
who's now walking away from me.
makikita
But
niyo.
he apparently witnessed the crash. He heard a sound that he thought was perhaps
Ayan,
a jet engine that was
makikita
in
mo yan,
trouble.
may
But in fact,
umuusok, dyan po
it
siya
was this
bumagsak.
helicopter. So he came out to see
Ayan,
what
mga
happened.
kabistak.
And Gavin, tell me exactly what you
Ayan
saw.
po.
I saw like a lot of like I
So,
heard a lot of noise.
abangan
And I
po
saw a bunch
natin
of
kung ano
paramedics,
talaga yung
police,
sanhi
firemen,
ng
all rushing to the
pagkamatay
scene. And
ni
then
Kobe Bryant po talaga.
So when I came out, I saw
So,
smoke
dito
on
na
the
lang po
hill,
ako
but it
mga
wasn't
kabistak
like
at
the big black
paki-like
box,
na
but
lang
it
po at
was
paki-share yung
and
videos
then I
natin.
saw like
Bye-bye.